Welcome to my channel, and uh, like in the previous match we have won, and in our squad we have a proudly I can announce that yes, we have this man, Mbappe, Mbappe in our squad. Okay, so and still we are trying to bring some player uh, like Zogadu or the future star who has the great ability, with a great prospect. Who their overall is near about 79, 78, and their age is 17, 18, 19 only. So in this pretext, I am searching for a good Rocky hardcore, selectively good, great defensive player as our central, central defending area. And the player I am willing now, it is in Bayern Munich. Okay, let's go for him. A Davis from Bayern Munich. Uh, Bayern Munich, come. Okay. Uh, A Davis, Filipino is there. A Davis, A Davis, A Davis, A Davis. Okay, this is the player I am talking about. This is the player I am talking about, and at the same time, Goretzka. No, he could have great player definitely, but we would have money to bring him. Okay, so that is the main thing, because Serge Gnabry is old gunner, his sprint speed, his stamina, marvelous, marvelous. No, I don't think they will allow him as a lonely player. Okay, so let's have a quick look in what my player is saying. Pepe, Remeni, Martinez. Okay, now advance, make advance. So they are willing 59. No, no, I will don't go for uh, that type of money to bring him in this earlier stage. Well, I am struggling to purchase some of my favorite player. Okay, let's make it advance. What they are saying: Arsenal 1 play point 3 final scout report. Okay, let's have it. Let's have it. I was looking for it. It's a great player, but right now we have to concentrate about only about City. But at the same time, he's a great player. He's a great player, definitely. You know, I can make him short. You know, transfer offer for holding. I don't think so. I will sell him. Rob Holding 21. 21 can be his highest. Negotiate 21. I will go for him 21, 22 maybe. Let's see what happens. 21, 21. Cash 21. Now I will submit the offer, and what is okay. My intention is not live holding our team, but cannot offer more than 17.8. No, no. Counter 20 to 5. I'm joking actually. Maybe. Yes. Oh my god. Now they are agree. I was telling about 21. They were disagree now. While I am saying about 22 and 5, they are agreed. God. Okay. So holding will be departure. Holding departure will, you know, uh, make some cost definitely. Transfer for Smith Rowe. Smith Rowe's highest 2-1. 1-4. Accept. Accept it. Accept. And offer for Bellerin. No, no, I'm not looking for sold. I don't want to waste any time. Okay. Okay. Smith Rowe. The second one is this type of. Maybe I am going to simulate this one this time. Okay, this I am going to simulate, and thereby I will make some quick replacement in this team. Like Mbappe will fit here, Lacazette, Kolasinac, Mbappe. Okay, Kolasinac in area of Kolasinac. I don't think that Pepe will fit here. Okay, Torreira, Caballos, Bellerin, Saliba, David Luiz, Saliba, okay, Leno, Kolasinac, Aubameyang, Mbappe, Lacazette. Now, this is my formation of team right now, as I am going to simulate right now in order to purchase quickly, very short time. Mbappe, Lacazette, Caballo, Aubameyang, Pepe, Torreira, Kolasinac, David Luiz. You can see the result. You can see the result. Lacazette, Caballo, Aubameyang, Pepe. Everyone is in scorer. Everyone is their good form right now. Final report about some of my player. What about their suggesting 21? Its stamina and all the other thing is very good, no doubt. No doubt. Okay. Still 2 days in left in coming all the report about the player I was scouting. Ozan Kabak 74.95. Okay, sprint speed 69, 64 stamina only. But what about his tackle? 73 long side tackle 73. This is the player. This is the player. I mean, his stamina is very bad. Stamina is very bad. No, 67 only. No, that is 7. What I will do? Let's make short list. Let's make short list about them. Oh no! What I have done? Upa Mikano. What is suggesting? Sprint speed, stamina is the same actually. Talent 81. Sprint speed, stamina, and what about his price? 24. No. I will not go for that type of player right now. Alien King, Ed King, no. Ozan Kabak, Ibrahim Konate. What is telling Ibrahim Konate has been done. Upcoming report on Oxford. Final scout report on Ibrahim Hakimi. Oxford holding has been sold. The bigger pressure on me right now. That I have to bring lots of defenders right now in the squad. Let's move quickly. Bellerin replay, final scout for Alfonso Davies. 72. Sprint speed, stamina, not bad. Uh, but how I can play with this guy? His position actually LM. But here suggesting that what is name? Alfonso Davies. Alfonso Davies is LB, left back also. He can play as a left back, lefty. But what about my main player, Zagadou? Zagadou. Zagadou, I have to go for him right now. Um, Zagadou, I have not shortlisted him, so quickly I have to go and again search him by his name. Zagadou, where is this? Here is him. I'll go for him definitely. Definitely, I have to go. 79, 29 is good player. Approach to buy. Approach to buy. Oh. He is in their team. Oh man, fuck off. Come on. 18, Konate. So I have to be for Konate and Kama. What is about him? Acceleration 71, sprint speed, okay, stamina only 68. That is the major issue actually. Sprint speed and stamina. Yeah, go for him. Go for him. Approach to buy. No, the car is already acquired player. Then go for him at least. At least go for him. No, begin negotiation with the club. Let's make some effort. This dying position. Offer transfer free. Yeah. Offer transfer free. Fixed price. I will give them 15 only. And I will look the whole situation, what they will suggesting. I will propose may around 18 and 5. They should accept it, but I think that's not bad. But 19, okay. No, I'll make this money for him. And at least let's play. They will accept, and yeah, this is the fair offer. And in this quick session, I have to negotiate with that player. Important, okay? No, not important. Rotation. I'll leave as a no. There is rotation. Okay, accept. Okay. 4 years. No, I will sign you for 5 years. Proposed release clause, decycle release clause. Current is 34. 34. That means I will give you 45. I will give you 45 weights. I will give you bonus 32 38. Okay, that is wide enough. Okay. No, okay. What is saying? Okay. Accept it. Let's accept. Okay, now I have this player who is a great talented player in defensive mode, and thereby uh, today I will end the recording process of my of this game. Okay, you can see the current squad right now, like Upamecano. Upamecano is our new talented added player. Uh, let's okay. Pepe is not there. Okay. Bellerin, Torreira, Saliba, David Luiz is captain right now. Upamecano will be there. Saliba will be substitute, and he is our main prospect player. He is okay. Now I will reserve Pepe and Aubameyang, especially Lacazette in this area, and I will play Mbappe with Aubameyang right now. Nelson in the left side, and Metal Niles in the righty. So it will work. It will work. I hope. And in this format right now, we have to need to expend more money, and we have that, and we have that, and we have that money right now. You can see the budget right now in there. Mm, in finance, okay, we can afford some of money. Okay, so in and that will I will show in the next episode. And for that, please subscribe my channel, and you can see in the screen the Mohamed Salah versus Mbappe is already the tagline Premier League. Okay, so that's going to be happen in the near future very soon, and please subscribe my channel.